Y'all see it, man. The car is getting up on the flatbed right now, man. We got my guy taking care of me. So yeah, man. Hopefully we can get it home, see what's going on with it, man. And guys, welcome back to the channel, man. What a day I'm having today, man. The car is acting up. I don't know what's going on, y'all. Like, I'm gonna have to get it towed home. Far as right now, I have no brakes. I believe once I started stopping at a red light, it's like my car kept going for some reason. The brakes wasn't engaging. I don't know what's going on. After that, I started to hear my center cap popped. My center cap popped out of my wheel. And I was like, nah, I gotta pull over, you know, see what's going on. So I completely lost my center cap. And I don't know what it is, guys, but I kept going a little bit. And I started hearing like the brakes and the rotors, they were like grinding together. Like, I don't know what it is. And when I make a turn, it feels like my driver wheel, it feels like it wants to like pop off or something. I don't know what it is, but let me show y'all what it's doing, and let me show y'all what the, you know, far as like the rotors is like, I don't know, they like engraved now. So let me show y'all real quick. All right, y'all, so as you guys can see, man, we don't have the center cap no more. So as you guys can see right here, that brake pad is like grabbing to that rotor now. Like, I don't know what's going on, guys, but it's not a good look, and it don't sound good, and it definitely don't feel good. So right now I have to call a tow truck, guys, to see if they can come pick me up, man. I'm not sure what's going on. I might have to take this car home and pull everything apart and figure out, man, what's going on, because that doesn't feel right at all, man. And it sucks because I lost my center cap. But the good thing is that I'm okay. Nothing happened. The wheel didn't pop off. I didn't hurt myself or hurt anybody else. So we good there. But let me call the tow truck, guys, and then we can go from there. All right, guys, so man, I'm gonna be waiting for a while. I'm waiting on my buddy to come get me right now. Hey, man, y'all make sure y'all get some guys that tow. Make sure y'all, you know, stay and connect with them, man, because every time when I call my guy, man, he comes out, he's always worrying, you know, if I'm on the road or if I'm in a bad area. Y'all make sure y'all get y'all a good tow, man, and stick with them, man. Don't try to switch up or nothing like that, man. Just stay with them and build a bond with him, man, because he gonna take care of you regardless, man. So big thanks to the neighbor over there, man. He come over here and made sure that I was okay and everything. He even gave me some water. So I was talking to my guy, the tow man, and he was telling me that it might be the wheel bearing that I guess it just completely went out on me, man. So I know I had fixed something like that last week. The center bolt was loose, so all I done was tighten it up a little bit, and it was good to go. But now I think it's a different ball game now, guys. So tighten up that bolt. So I thought it was good to go, guys, but man, you just never know what's gonna happen, man. So just gotta be prepared. And yeah, I lost my center cap, so I'm gonna have to get another one of those. But yeah, man, it's just crazy, man. It's crazy. So yeah, man, guys, you just never know what you're gonna go through in life, man. You know, now I'm out spending more money that I really didn't want to spend, guys, because right now is not a good time. It's Christmas time. Workload is slow everywhere. Nobody is hiring, guys. If you got a job, hey, stick with that job, man. Don't quit. If you're going through it with your boss, try to work it out. Try to, like, you know, look past it for now until you find something different, man, because you just never know what's gonna happen, man. And it's just crazy right now how life is with the coronavirus and everything, man. Y'all stay safe out there, man. Now I gotta spend more money on this, but it's all good, man. We gotta get it fixed. Just something that I didn't want to do right now because of Christmas. I got a newborn, I got 2-year-old, you know, I got a shop for them for Christmas and things like that. And you just never know what you're gonna go through in life, man. It's crazy how fast something can happen and end up changing your life real quick, man. So my message to y'all is just cherish, you know, be thankful for what you got, you know, at the moment. And don't be going out there buying expensive stuff, man, because it's not a good time right now, guys. Anything can happen. You can lose your job, you can lose your life, you can get sick, anything, man. So y'all, please don't go and do that right now, man. It's not a good time. It's not a good time, you know. And I'm just telling y'all because I love y'all, man, and I want y'all to make the right decision. I just pulled up on your address. Girl, you always ask me where. Going on, Shane. What's up, man? Doing all right? Hey, man. So this is my guy. If y'all need anything, any tows, man, y'all make sure y'all. Now, Shane, what you think, man? What you think about the wheel, man? So you think it's the wheel bearing? It's on this side right here. This side? Yeah, it's on this side. Look, it's already kind of like worn the rotor out a little bit. Yeah. You see it? Yeah. And my center cap popped out. Probably a bearing. Bearing? Yeah, I think so. Okay. All right. Yeah, I hope so. Yeah, I sure hope so, man. You want me to drive it up there or? No. Okay. Okay. All right, guys, man, this car looking good on this tow truck. I wish it wasn't on the tow truck, man, but yeah, it's looking good up there though. It's looking pretty good, y'all. Looking pretty good, man. Shout out to this neighbor, man. He helped me out. He come out here and talked to me for a long time, man. You know, we talked a lot, so shout out to him, man. He even gave me some water, man. So, but yeah, man, the crossfire is looking pretty good up there. All right, guys, so we done made it home with the car, man. About to back it in right now and get it all unloaded and see what's going on, man. I gotta open up that wheel and see what's going on with it, man. It might be a wheel bearing. I'm just not having a good day today, but I'm gonna let y'all know what's gonna happen, man, on the next clip. I appreciate all of y'all love and support, man. We're gonna figure this out.